Hey everyone, I'm Melissa Bourbon and this is Bourbon Books. Let's talk about Pinterest marketing for a second. It can feel overwhelming, right? What do I pin? How do I write pin descriptions? Which keywords actually bring readers to my books? Well, here is the secret. You do not have to do it alone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how AI, yes, AI, ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, whatever your favorite AI program is, how that can help be your marketing assistant and how it can help you create book pins and find the right keywords. Think of it as having a personal copywriter on speed dial, but it's free. Here's the thing. Pinterest isn't social media, which I have said many times before. It's a search engine, more like Google than Instagram. That means people are actively searching for things like witchy cozy mysteries, romantic fantasy books with witches, or historical fiction with strong female leads, for example. If your pins don't show up for these searches, then you are truly invisible. But the truth is that writing compelling pin titles and keyword-rich descriptions can eat up a lot of your creative energy. It's not just about stringing words together. You have to think about what readers are actually searching for and how do you naturally weave those keywords into your descriptions and your pin titles, and how do you make it all sound really enticing enough that people want to click. That's a lot of pressure when all you really want to be doing, if you're like me, is writing your next chapter or your next scene or brainstorming your next plot twist. And I want to be honest, right? Most of us didn't become authors because we love metadata, but AI can help with pins. Let's start with pin titles. The titles for pins are short and punchy, and they need keywords. Without them, Pinterest doesn't know who to show your pins to. So here's an example. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 Pinterest pin titles for a cozy mystery about a small-town baker who solves crimes. Okay, and in seconds, it gives me the 10 titles that I asked for my pins. Flour, sugar, murder, a cozy bakery mystery. Cupcakes and clues, a small-town whodunit. Murder, served hot, cozy mystery with a baker sleuth, on and on and on. So I have 10 great titles just like that. So those are pretty good. And it took all of 10 seconds. They're fun, they're clickable, and best of all, they are keyword rich. So suddenly now you've got a handful of titles ready to test without spending hours of your time brainstorming. Now let's talk about descriptions. These need to include keywords, but they need to be embedded naturally, right? They need to also sound engaging, however, like something a reader actually wants to click. That is no small feat and it takes time. But if I ask AI to write a Pinterest description for a cozy mystery with a baker, a small town setting, and a hint of romance, make it 2 to 3 sentences, use keywords naturally, and include a call to action, let's see what it gives us. Okay, here we go. Whisk yourself away to a charming small-town cozy mystery filled with sweet treats, a clever baker turned sleuth, and just a touch of romance. Perfect for fans of deliciously twisty mysteries, heartwarming settings, and happily ever afters. Pin now and start your next binge-worthy read. Okay, notice how it used keywords. Cozy mystery, small town, romance, baking. It appeals directly to readers and it has a specific call to action. So that is Pinterest SEO magic, and AI just made it very effortless for you. Well, what about keywords? If you're saying, okay, but how do I even know what keywords to use? Well, AI can help you brainstorm that too. Let's ask it, give me a list of 20 Pinterest keywords a reader might use to search for cozy mysteries with baking. And look at the list I get. Cozy baking mystery, baking cozy mystery book, small town baking mystery, culinary cozy mystery series, cozy mysteries with recipes, etc., etc. I have 20 because that's what I asked for. Now I can take that list of keywords, keyword phrases, and plug it into Pinterest's search bar and see what auto suggests it gives me. Then I can refine it and go from there. Yeah, maybe AI missed some seasonal cozy mystery keywords or holiday baking mystery, for example, but that doesn't matter because I'm no longer starting with a blank page. I have something to start with. And now here's a fun one. Use AI to brainstorm actual pin content if you're not sure what to pin. For example, give me 5 Pinterest pin ideas an author could create to promote a cozy mystery novel. Voila, here we go. I can use recipe-inspired pins, character quote graphics, book plus lifestyle flat lays, small town setting teasers, and solve the mystery mini challenges. So I've got 5 ideas that I can now use to create pins. And again, this is just a starting point, but it can get you thinking about the types of pins that you can create. Suddenly, you've got a creative content roadmap that's good for weeks. No more sitting at your desk thinking, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to post today. Let AI help you. It is okay. Now, of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI can help you generate ideas, but you still need to know how to optimize, use SEO, design, strategically post pins, think about seasonal content and timing so that they all actually bring readers into your books. That is what I teach inside my course, Pinterest Power for Authors. If you do want to go deeper, like learning how to build a keyword bank, setting up boards that attract readers, designing scroll-stopping pins, I'm dropping that link below in the description. But even if you just start out with what I showed you today, using AI as your helper, you will be ahead of most authors on Pinterest, truly. So authors, let me ask you this. Are you ready to let AI lighten your marketing load? I would love for you to try this. Open up your favorite AI tool and give it one of the prompts I shared or one of your own, and then drop a comment below and tell me what it came up with. I bet you're going to be surprised at how good it is. Now remember, it doesn't have to be only cozy mysteries. This is going to work for any genre, so tailor your prompt for your genre. And you guys, if this video is helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Bourbon Books, and share this with a writer friend who needs Pinterest in their life. Until next time, cheers and happy pinning.